culture media. So this is how it goes. When I started this, I'm old, it was ego-based. Everything was ego-based because we didn't know anything about it. Oocytes, sperms, embryos, we didn't know anything about it. We just think that, you know, well, this is good, or we think that this is okay. But then again, with ovarian stimulation, a lot of things have changed, and this has been regulated. But then, ART laboratory, the laboratory that we are working, is it evidence-based or ego-based? Still, there are some ego problems in the laboratories, because sometimes we go crazy about it as well. You know, we think that no, it shouldn't be like that, but still, it's going on. The reason for that is the perfect example is the vitrification protocol that I'm going to give you afterwards. And before it was like we were taking the vitrified blastocysts and then putting them, when you are warming it, on 37 degrees, and then you go to room temperature, and then you go to 37 again, which was stupid. But we thought that it was okay. But now it's changed, so everything is going back to normal now, because it's evidence